Then how can you support? First, you need a proper attitude. When someone comes to you, allow them to be what they are. Touch them with a non-judgmental hand. As soon as you do that, you will see their breathing becomes more natural, because everyone is thirsty for one drop of real friendship, one drop of real love. Everyone is thirsty to be accepted as they are. But people don't accept each other. That's why it's as though everyone puts on a mask. Whenever they're not accepted, they try a different mask. This goes on day after day, until by the time we become adults, we can no longer be found under all the masks we're wearing. The moment you touch someone non-judgmentally, with acceptance, the masks start to fall off, layer by layer. Like all of us, the recipient has been buried under the weight of their accumulated masks, their personality. But now they can begin to breathe more freely. You are simply a catalyst. Don't judge a person's essential quality by their personality. That's pouring water into wine. We acquire our personality through the influence of the outside world. Yet we are born with an essence. Our essence can't be given or taken away by the outside world.